Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here because I wanted to do another code review. And the reason why I wanted to do another code review is because I was watching a 10-hour video on, I believe it was statistics with Dr. Sankar. I think it's Dr. Sarkar, really. I think it's Dr. Sarkar. At Great Learning, and in the video he created some data sets to do some probability experiments. And so basically what I've done is I've recreated the data sets that he created to conduct the probability experiments. And basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to go over that with my YouTube viewers. So I've recreated this data set that he created, and the first thing, recreated the program that he created. And the first thing I want to do is import the libraries. So we're going to import NumPy as NP, which is a numerical computation library. We're going to import SciPy stats as stats, and SciPy as a scientific library, and it's got a stats function, a stats department in it, which I think is interesting because stats models was originally in SciPy, but then they took stats models out and made stats models its own separate library. But there still is a section called stats in SciPy. So that's very interesting indeed. But stats models is a very complex library to use. And then we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and that's a graphics library. So those are the three libraries that we're going to be importing to make this program and do this work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to develop an algorithm. So n equals 7, p equals 0.6, and k equals np dot arrange 0, 8. And what that is k is a NumPy array that has been created. So binomial equals stats.binom.pmf, k and p. PMF means probability mass function, which is something to do with statistics. And then so we print out binomial, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got 8 elements in this array. Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got 8 elements in this array. So we're going to plot it onto a graph using matplotlib. So you can see that we've created an array with a binomial distribution, and this is your binomial distribution. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a Poisson's distribution. So rate equals 6, n equals np dot arrange 0 to 20. So that means it has 20 elements in the array. Poisson equals stats dot Poisson PMF in rate. PMF means probability mass function, and then you look at Poisson, and so that's your Poisson. And then it says if you take Poisson number 3 and you subtract it from Poisson number 2, you get a number, and so that's your number. But I just wonder, and he didn't do this because I just copied his code. I just wonder so it says Poisson. I'm just messing around really. But it doesn't have a K in it, does it? It just says rate, and then it says N, and so I can try N, try it and see if it works. Well, I actually got it to work. Yay! So what we've done is we've done our Poisson distribution. So you can see the Poisson distribution there. And we take Poisson 3 and minus Poisson 2. This is the number that you get. And we've got a normal distribution as well. So stats.norm.cmf equals negative 0.6. It gives you a number. Stats.norm.cdf, it gives you another number. And 1 minus stats.norm.cdf, it gives you some more numbers. But I'm not sure if you can create a data frame from that because we've not got the variables for the normal distribution. So I don't know how we would create a data set. Sorry, we would create a plot using that. Because it just says stats.norm.cdf and then again, and then again, and then again. So I'm not going to try to create a plot on that one because I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. So I think we're going to have to go ahead and conclude this video at the time because what I've done is I just reconstructed what Dr. Darkar did in this video, but I did actually create another plot that he didn't create with the Poisson distribution. So that's it for the code review. And I hope you got something out of the code review, and obviously you get the code. So thank you so much for my subscribers for supporting my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.